Hello, children. Today we are going to learn clothes we wear. Children, you have many kinds of clothes at home that you wear on daily basis, like skirts, pants, knickers, beautiful dresses. So we will talk about that what kind of clothes we wear. Here I have a beautiful poem for you that is called clothing poem. Hats and earmuffs go on my head. Pajamas are what I wear to bed. Pants and shorts around my hips. Shirt is buttoned, jacket is zipped. Check the weather for the day. Come to school ready to play. Now, that means hats are earmuffs go on my head. That means earmuffs and hats used to wear on the head. Then pajamas are what I wear on to bed. That means pajama is a night wear. Shirts is buttons, jackets is zip. We used to button up the shirts and jackets are for the zipping. Check the weather for the day. Come to school ready to play. We often check the weather and wear our clothes and we ready for the school and come. This is the meaning of this poem. Let's start clothes. We wear clothes to cover our body. First question which arises in the mind that why we wear the clothes. Why we wear the clothes? Cover our body, look smart and elegant, protect ourselves from insect bite, protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and dust. Again I am telling you, cover our body, look smart and elegant, protect ourselves from insect bites and protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and dust. Now, what is the insect bite? If we wear knickers and go to the park to play in the evening, then mosquito can bite our legs. Then what we do? We used to wear pajama to cover our legs so the mosquito can't bite our legs. So in this way we can protect our legs from the mosquito bite. So children, I hope you understand. Then protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and dust. That means is protect ourselves from heat, rain, cold and dust. Have you ever observed that the uh, cover part of body look more fair than the uncovered part of the body? So why? Because the covered part of body will comes under the clothes. That means it protects us from the heat, cold and rain. Now on the next page, types of clothes. How many types of clothes are there? We wear different clothes in different seasons. Like clothes are made up of different material. Some material are suitable for summers while some are for winters. Like if I told you, beta, go and you just do it for me. Just go and wear sweater. Can you do it? You say, ma'am, what are you saying? Are you okay, ma'am? Is it okay? No, you can't wear sweater in summer. You have to wear cotton clothes in the summer. And in the winter, you wear the warm clothes, woolen clothes. So, according to season, we wear the clothes, isn't it? Can you wear sweater now? Go and wear sweater. Go and wear cap. Can you do this in this summer? You can't do. Now, what about the cotton clothes? Let's come to this point. Cotton clothes are light and cool clothes. They absorb the sweat from our body and keep us comfortable in hot weather. Now the cotton cloths absorb the sweat from our body. Cotton cloths are the cloths like they observe the all sweat, pasina from our body, and they keep us cool, very cool. And you know what is the quality of the cotton cloths? The cotton cloths are anti-allergic. So no allergy is being arised because of cotton clothes. Next is we get cotton from flowers of cotton plant. Now the question is this: from where we got the cotton plants? And answer is from the plants. Then cotton balls are puffs and spun into the thread. Now it put into the thread, spun, and it is being thread. So this is being, and then thread are woven into the cloths. Then thread are changed into the cloths. T-shirt, towels, bed sheets, skirts, top, suits, saris are the cotton clothes. Now the silk clothes. We'll talk about the silk clothes. Silk clothes are the shiny, smooth, and the delicate clothes. We wear silk clothes on the special occasions. Like we wear from the special occasions like marriage or any party and birthday party. So we can have the silk clothes from the silkworm and the cocoon, and this is the silk sari. So first, this is an insect from where we can have the thread and the silk cloth is being made. Now the next is leather. Leather is made from the skin of animals. Leather is made from the skin of the animals like buffalo, camel, horse, crocodile, snake, and even lizards. Skin is being used to make clothes. We make many leathers items like shoes, bags, wallet, belt, etc. So what we have learned, main things are this: why we wear clothes. We wear clothes to protect our body from insect bite, from cold, from heat, from rain, and from dust. What type of clothes we wear? We wear clothes according to the season. In summer, cotton; in winter, woolen; and special occasions, silk. Now the cotton cloths made from the flowers of cotton, and they are puffed. Then cotton is being cleaned, then it changes into the thread, and from the thread to it changes into the clothes. And the why we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes made of the wool taken from the body, hair of sheep, and it is spun into the yarn, and then it is knitted. And the sweaters, mufflers, gloves, and and the mittens, caps are made from the woolen cloths. That means woolen cloths is being knitted, bunna. What is that? Knitted. Woolen cloths bune jate hain, and it is being knitted. So children, this is about the clothes, and I hope you understand and you like. For your special request, I am going to describe something in Hindi also, that जो हम क्लॉथ्स डालते हैं वो हम सीज़न के अकॉर्डिंग डालते हैं. हमें क्लॉथ्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है बिकॉज वी वांट टू सेव आवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम द कोल्ड, हीट, रेन एंड द इंसेक्ट बाइट. कॉटन जो क्लोथ्स होते हैं बेटा, वो कॉटन के फ्लावर से बनते हैं, कॉटन क्लॉथ्स. एंड कॉटन फ्लावर से थ्रेड चेंज होता है, इसको फिर स्पन में डाला जाता है और फिर उससे कपड़े बनते हैं. वुलन क्लॉथ्स यानी कि ऊनी कपड़े, दे मेड फ्रॉम द शीप एंड दे आर निटेड, उनकी बुनाई होती है. और सिल्क के कपड़े हम स्पेशल ओकेजन्स पर डालते हैं. तो दैट्स इट फॉर द डे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हैव अ नाइस डे.